Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Oman Arab Bank online banking. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon OAB online banking application. Now you can see over here Oman Arab Bank application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: register, activate. If you're the new user, simply tap on the register option. But if you're existing user and if you want to log into your account, simply tap on the option activate. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your user ID and password. So simply tap on the option user ID. Now what you have to do is enter your user ID over here. Now simply enter your password. Now after entering your user ID and password, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Oman Arab Bank online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.